Now, how this concept came? Let's see here, two atoms are connected or bind together to form a molecule. And you could see here that atom binded by a bond. This can be a chemical bond, either ionic, covalent or metallic. But in case of organic molecules, as they are mainly composed of carbon and hydrogen, so this bond can be a covalent bond, because covalent bond is formed by the atoms of similar electronegativity. We could see that carbon electronegativity nearly 2.55 and hydrogen is nearly 2. Let's have a general discussion, like here two peoples of similar strength, like either social, economical or physical, but their strength are insufficient to a particular task. If they mutually get agreed and make a friendship, then they totally can use their strength for a required task and get benefited equally. So the same way, the atom use their valence electron for their stability when they form a bond. Like here, if we consider this is carbon and hydrogen, when they forming bond and sharing their electron mutually, they get stabilized, and at the same time they target to close to the inert get electronic configuration like 8. So it is called octet. The same way here, if carbon-carbon bond is formed, here also they mutually share 2 electrons. Here this consider this is a bond and sharing 2 electrons. And we could see here this carbon gets fill up octet and other carbon also close to fill up their octet. So this formation of bond by using valence electron called the valence bond theory, or in short it is VBT.